In this video, we'll show you how to fix the PuTTY Key Format Too new error. This error occurs because you're using an outdated version of the PuTTY application. To fix it, visit the official PuTTY website and download the latest version of the app. You can choose to download either the standalone executable file or the setup file to install all PuTTY components. As you can see, the app has been updated and the error is now resolved. Additionally, you might encounter the same error if you're using the mRemote-ng software. To fix it in this case, use a custom PuTTY executable file instead of the embedded one. Alternatively, replace the PuTTY application in the installation directory of the software. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.